Sure. Welcome back, folks. Today we're going to be doing some footage more reviews because I got no content, and I promised they didn't make new content, so we're making some new content. Today we're reviewing Little Caesar cookies. Hold on, Rick. Not the same way, you know. He gotta make this video much better. Anyway, I'm not here because my own house. Don't question the movies there. So I guess we're gonna eat some cookies on. It's kind of boring actually. Not bad. Some like cinnamon cookies. They're pretty good. I'll give it a 6 out of 10. Like 7 out of 10. Ugh. Pretty good snack. I'll give it like a 8 out of 10. Yeah, that's it. That's the video. See you next video. We might do talkies. Who knows?